In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a template in Notion. We'll walk through this process from a blank page, so you can follow along even if you're new to Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option means, so importing templates or other content will feel simple and familiar. First, open Notion and create a new page. You can do this from the sidebar by clicking on the plus button next to the workspace or section where you want the template to live. Give your page a clear name so you'll recognize it later, for example something like imported template or whatever matches the template you're bringing in. At this point, the page can be completely blank. We just need a place for the imported content to go. Once your new page is open, look for the three dots menu. Depending on your screen size, you may see it at the top right of the page. Click on those three dots to open the page options. This menu controls things like layout, icons, and other settings, but it also contains the import option we need. In the menu that appears, find and click on the item labeled Import. This is what tells Notion you want to bring in content from outside the current page. When you click it, Notion will open an import window with several choices. Here, you can import your content in a couple of different ways. The first category is file-based imports. This is useful if you have a template or content saved as a file on your computer or in cloud storage. Common examples include PDF files, Word documents, Markdown files, or HTML exports from other tools. Choose the appropriate file type, then browse your device, select the file, and confirm. Notion will upload that file and convert it into blocks on your page as best as it can. After the import finishes, scroll through the page and quickly check that headings, lists, and tables look the way you expect. You can always adjust formatting afterwards. The second category is third-party imports. This is for bringing in content directly from other apps that Notion supports, such as project management or note-taking tools. When you choose one of these options, Notion may ask you to connect your account for that service. Follow the on-screen prompts, pick what you want to import, and let Notion do the rest. This is especially helpful if you are moving an existing workspace into Notion and want to keep structure and content together. Once the import completes, your template is ready to customize, reorganize, and use inside Notion just like any other page.